Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the canvas color to make your edit in CapCut apps. So you can click on the new project and select your videos or photos you like to edit. For example, I'm going to open my project, and so there is a photo here, and you can resize the photo. So you can make it smaller, and you can see for the canvas. So you can change for the color. Just click the canvas, and you can select color you like, or just check mark, and you can change for the background or blur. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.